So every day when I wake up, I try to play devil's advocate. You guys know, if you followed me here on the channel for a while, you know I'm extremely bullish when it comes to the market, when it comes to Shiba Inu and many other assets in the space. And I keep trying to find something that is negative with Shiba Inu. And frankly, I can't find it. The fundamentals have been good. The asset itself has been strong. And frankly, right now, this push for Shiba Inu to break to these next levels is really just a matter of time. And this is now coming off the back of the largest day we have ever experienced in the market. And you should be bullish moving forward. And I want to tell you guys why. I'm Luckside. Welcome to the channel. If you guys are new or haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell again. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So obviously, looking at Shiba Inu right now, we're doing exactly what we did yesterday. We're doing what we did the day before. We're pushing and pushing and pushing against this strong level of resistance here at 4019. And we're really just trying to get a nice oomph through this. This is now the third period where we've done this over the last 3 weeks. And we're showing all the signs of wanting to move to the upside. Again, like I've talked about many times, we're playing into that ascending triangle. So this is a very strong moment for Shiba Inu. And this is all while BTC is slowly but surely creeping to the upside, while Ethereum is making some very strong stabs itself. These are kind of the leading entities for the market, right? BTC starts to move, Ethereum starts to follow, and then alts get a little bug up their butts and they start making some massive moves as well. Right now, like this article would suggest, is that Shiba Inu is in fact a sleeping giant. And I'll get to this in just a moment. But why I'm saying this is important is that we right now, in terms of BTC, are in this level of will it, won't it? Okay. And why I'm saying that is right now we're actually sitting in this sandwich between long leverage and short leverage. All right. And the question is, which of these two is going to get liquidated? There are massive liquidations to the downside on long interest, and there are massive liquidations to the upside on short interest, actually sending BTC up to about 78K. And so the question now, and the reason why most of the alts in the space are kind of waiting, is we're finding out what direction we're going to send. Are we going to go on a correction, or are we going to continue making these moves to the upside? And right now, if retail does nothing, we are much more likely to move to the upside. And why I'm saying this is this yesterday was the largest institutional money day we have ever seen. $1.37 billion worth of BTC added by institutional money. That is a huge sign of which direction they want the market to go. And big money has a massive influence in the direction of the market. And if we're seeing another day where we get moves like this, don't be surprised if we start taking legs in the market as a whole. This is coming off of BlackRock having their largest day of adding ever, over $1.12 billion worth of BTC. Another big day by Fidelity, 190 million added. So you're seeing all these positive signs from the big entities in the space. And now we're just waiting for that confirmation that retail can start letting that money flow back in. Okay. That's where we're at right now. Now, that being said, when we look across the market, this talks about Shiba Inu getting ready for possibly a 90% boom, capital rotation from Doge into SHIB, because obviously Doge has done quite well. The RSI has been on the climb, so now it's kind of in a little bit of an overbought territory. So we may start to see some of that capital rotate around the space when it comes to alts. But why I'm saying that this boom hasn't happened yet in terms of alts is and SHIB and other meme coins specifically, is I want you to look at the 24 hours here, right? This is very, very tempered. All these meme coins right now are kind of waiting. They're sitting here. They're waiting for that little burst of momentum, that little burst of excitement, and that confirmation that the market is going to continue taking off. And then it would not surprise me if this is when SHIB does start to make some of these moves like we've talked about, right? Continuing this wave 3, like we've been talking about a bunch, which is what leads into March. And I know that some people have had some questions about Fibonacci levels and things like that. And I'll get to that in another video about, what kind of ranges to expect moving forward. But SHIB right now is the sleeping giant. We have all this momentum building. We have all this pressure building, and there is eventually going to be a pop. Okay. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below. Do you think we have another massive day from institutional money? I will say that Fridays tend to be kind of tempered, but right now it seems like a goal from them to just try to add as much as they can before everybody else finds out what the hell is going on. So have a great day. Show your love below. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.